for hypothetical purposes, if you're targeting even just those all-time highs up there, that's a 40-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Right? That's a 40-to-1 risk to reward ratio, meaning if you had just $100 on Ecomi and it, went all the way back up there to its all-time highs, that $100 could make you $4,000. It may be worth it, is all I'm saying, to start getting in at the lows, It may be worth it to start getting in at the lows and thinking long term. All right, let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Are these even projects that y'all know about? Have y'all ever heard of any of these projects? If y'all have any questions, let me know. If y'all have any charts that y'all want me to look at, also let me know as well. We already looked at Zcash, Pepe. Pepe down bad too. I'm not gonna really look at Pepe too much. Man, that was a massive gap up right there. Massive gap up. Some of these charts look pretty scary. Like Palatar, I would be scared I would be taking some profits up there if I was in from the lows. Nvidia, Near Protocols coming down to some really good prices. I think Near Protocols is definitely a project I'm going to be keeping my eye on. I've been waiting for it to get to this orange box for a long time. So now that it's finally there, I'm going to be waiting and, definitely not going to be scared to buy. If I was willing to buy all the way up here at $3, I know I'm going to be buying some more at $1.50. So definitely keep my eye on their protocol. Look at some Solana. Solana is a tricky one for me, right? This is the 1 week time frame, right? And I'm pretty much looking for this orange box, looking for price to come down into this orange box, which is at pretty much $85 or below for Solana, right? We got liquidity right there. We got all of these swing lows in here that I think price is going to want to go down there and sweep some of that price out. And then when Solana comes down, I'm going to be looking to buy for the long term. So maybe the trade will look something like this. That's a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's not really giving you that much risk to reward. I'm just looking at the rest of my watch list over, making sure we're not missing nothing. And Porsche fell off a cliff right there. I think I might have to buy me some Porsche stock. This looks like it might be a good price. Yeah, I think I might have to buy me some Porsche stock. Oh, that's what it's looking like. This is a really good area. Let me look at the 1 month chart. Okay, we got some equal lows on the Porsche chart right here. All right, I'm going to put these in a little bit of a bubble so y'all can see it a little bit better, but we got some equal lows down here for Porsche. So I would like for Porsche to take out those equal lows down there, and then maybe we can get a price of $39 or below for Porsche. Start accumulating. One day if we ever hit the all-time high again, that's a nice little 3-to-1 risk to reward right there. That's beautiful. But we need to see some type of like market structure shift, at least on the daily or the weekly time frame. But we might have to get in, have an early position. But regardless, we know we want to, be patient. I'm definitely going to make a memo of that because Porsche is looking really good right now. Origin Trail. I remember my girlfriend was telling me about Origin Trail. I really still don't know much about it, but I have been looking at the charts. Just cycling through. Coca-Cola, still at a high price. WorldCoin, I think that might have been one of Donald Trump's projects or something tied to him. Intel Corporation, uranium flying through the moon. Pretty much all of the metals are flying through the roof right now. We have Verizon. I want to look at Verizon on the daily chart, on the monthly chart. We got a little gap right here on the monthly with Verizon. Not a gap, but a little order block. This red candle right here. All right, that's going to be order block, but I definitely think price is going to blow through this red candle. That's why I didn't have it boxed up on my chart to begin with, because price have already reacted there once. So now it's going to, the next time it come back down, it's going to be looking to sweep this liquidity and dig a little bit deeper into these lows. So if I was in Verizon, I wouldn't want to be holding that bag right there either. General Motors, it looks like it's going up really a lot. Jeez, I wonder what they got going on. This is a lot right now. For General Motors, BYD. BYD chart is flying as well. We got Apple. Very, very bullish chart for Apple. That's all I got on my watch list, you guys. That is all I got on the watch list for today.